The ground is shifting. Escape 3 is forced through. Vice President Kosano Chiwenga's support is swelling. Sabina Mashukobdani Kwachenzi. Chiwenga's support explodes. Force Escape 3. Grow Chiwenga. Why the more they push, the stronger he gets. When subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Sabina Mashukarubda Pangwa na Trukona Kuti. Pangwa ino chakabondoka. Patuna kuti nodzima constitutional amendments. Pangwa ino dzanyatsotsvika pastage yekuti aiwa chachizovira panguva ino. People they are now waiting for the signature. Panguva ine Makumichi anodanyira achiti from Masvingo to Harare to rural areas. The anger is the same. They are forcing it on us. Step 3 was meant for debate, not a dictate. But every stage rally and mandate gathering is backfiring. More ordinary Zambia voters are turning to Chiwenga. Why? He represents the alternative. Constitutionalism, the idea that the liberation struggle wasn't fought, so one man's timeline could override the will of the people. Step 3 is now seen as the 2030 vehicle that has split the party. More veterans who feel disrespected, cadets aligned for speaking out, and citizens who want the rule of law, they are all finding common ground in him. The more Step 3 is forced, the higher Chiwenga's stock rises. One side says, extend at all cost. The other says, stick to the constitution. Doma developments arubura panguva ine arikuno konze. Hazvisina kumira zvakanaka panguva ine kurikuno konze. Now the constitutional amendments. Panguva ine dzatosvika pa advanced stage. Panguva ine dzatova finalized. But people, they are not convinced. People, they are not happy. Vanhu varikutofunga kuti kuna general kunenge kuri nani. Noda kuti they know my implications. They know what is gonna change. They know kuti situation ichange yakamira sei after it is going to be passed into law and signed. Inakomesa kushemedza funguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like up and turn on the bell icon.